Hey guys, this is Jordan from RC Nurse. Today I have my twin 40mm EDF Twinliner by Banana Hobby. Now you'll see the first flight that I have on it, I actually did a accelerated stall and I couldn't recover it even with safe. And because of that, I did shear a fan blade and broke the tip off of this wing right here, but no worries, I was able to replace it real quick and we're gonna get it up again to fly. Now it is really windy out. I might actually just keep flying with safe on, we'll see. And again, that's not a crutch, it's an aid to have fun. Nothing wrong with that. So, alright, we'll take it up. Just a little bit, okay? It can be difficult to trim when it's windy like this. Alright, here we go. Whoa! That was so crazy. Alright, I am in safe right now and it's still windy out. Safe is letting me enjoy this. It does fly very, very well in calm weather. I have flown it before in calm weather. It flies really straight, no wobbles whatsoever. It's just super windy today, so unfortunately you don't get to see the full great flight characteristics that this actually has. Here's a little slow flyby. Alright, let's flip it out safe and see how I can manage here. Whoa. It's really easy to stall this with these rates that I have. And with the wind that's coming against it when you're turning. Again, not in safe, it's just AS3X. Throwing it back in safe right here, guys. Just too windy, but you can really get a good feeling for it regardless. That was a cool crab. All right, into the wind. I got safe on. Let's go. Gotta give it power in these turns, otherwise you're gonna stall. Oh, I got a hold. That is not good. Yeah, we got a hold right here. Anytime you get a hold, guys, that's not good. That means that for a brief period of time your transmitter lost contact with your receiver. So I'm gonna have to resituate some of my receiver wires, and hopefully that doesn't happen again. All right, guys, you can see that's a big hay bale, or not hay bale. It's a big whatever you called that thing rolling across there. There you go, big tumbleweed. That's how windy it is out here. But anyway, hope you enjoyed that. That was a little fun, a little risky, but I used safe, who cares, it was fun. Anyways guys, catch you later.